Hi guys, and welcome back to Crazy Baker Unleashed, and today we're going to be looking at the Dinky kit. It's a metal one, very rare. This is from 1973 and it is super like hen's teeth. Please subscribe and please share. Anyway, we'll get on with the video. I can see this is obviously a rare kit, and on the front cover we've obviously got the Mark 1 Mexico, and this was originally made by Meccano, weirdly enough. As we open her up, that we've got all the metal car, number plates, you've got the interior, you've got the glass, and over here you've got the paint. And a funny small seat as well. Got all the bits and bobs to put this all together. And over here you've got the instructions. I mean, this is some type of detail. Back in 1973, they obviously really thought that we're going to go out and buy this for children, because you can just imagine some of these parts you could swallow and choke yourself on. And obviously the paint which comes in the kit is Humbrol. And then it's got all the instructions. It's even got different languages on here. Even surprising back in the 1973 that you'd have all different variations of languages. I quite find that quite amazing, really. I suppose that's when we really started going into the Euro bit. And down on the bottom there you can actually see the taking care, Meccano Ltd, made in England. And there's not much of our English stuff left anymore. Quite a nice little folder, folds up. And on the back of it just shows you what's actually the other items which are in it. I mean, if you were buying this as a set, you'd want all these ones: Rolls-Royce, Volvo, Volkswagen. There's quite a nice little list of it. I guess if you've got all that lot, you'd be in your element. I mean, that would be a full-blown collection. On this one you've got a little tear on here. And obviously the packaging is not too bad. I mean, let's be fair, it's 1973. A little tear on there. But apart from that, it's not that bad. Now, these go on eBay and Amazon. If you're lucky to find one, they value-wise between £50 and £80 today. If you're lucky. One did sell in 2020 for around about £70. But there again, it's down to each person. If you're into Ford Mark 1 Mexico and you want this particular model in your collection, this is what you're going to be looking out for. And obviously it only takes two people in an auction to get the price stupid. I can't remember how much I paid for this, but it wasn't a lot. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and please share. I've got quite a few different type of things in my collection. And this is just, I mean, this is 1974. I got some things older than this. So in the next video, most likely it'll be some, let's say, it could be 80s or 90s. Or even 2020. Anyway, we'll see you again in the next video. Laters!